Hello fans, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be teaching you how to dye Easter eggs. As you can see, it's almost Easter for us. Your Easter was last week, but it's almost Easter. Yay! So let's get started. First you boil the eggs that are right in front of us. You get your egg and take your little thing. This is a wax crayon to draw before you dye them. So you can draw whatever you want. I'm going to draw my name on the first one. L-A-Y-L-A. And as you can see, I can put my initial on this side. Whoops, and I broke the crown, but it's okay. L. Now, you can choose a color. The colors are here, so you can't really see them. I'd choose pink for mine. You have to be very careful. Then you wait a few seconds. And now, you can take the egg out. Nope, you have to leave it back in. You have to check it. Next, you can take another egg, but you have to write what you want. But I'm going to write Mommy, because I am a mommy. Here. M-O-M. Mommy. Now, she wants orange. So I get the egg dropper. Here we go. And you can do the next one. It's going to be Daddy. Daddy. D A D D Y. Wait, did I put Y? Blue. Whoops, forgot the egg dropper. Shoot. You can see the little marks. Here we go. Put it in there. And next, I'm just going to do some with some hearts. Okay. Oops, wrong side. You can't really see it yet, but you will. And I'll put this one in the yellow. But you gotta be careful not to get it on your fingers. And the last one will go in green. And I might draw a flower. I think I want to draw my flower. Round flower heart. Hop, 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 hop. Ta-da! And now we're going to get the egg dropper. Put it on the egg dropper and drop it in. I have one thing to put on it. Next you find something to put on it and take your eggs out like this. You want to see how they all turned out? Let me put them in the carton first. Guys. Yellow. Ooh, this one's dripping. Oops. There you go. And next, blue. It's dripping. Whoa. Just gotta get this fixed. Whoa. Whoops. It kind of got out of position. Green. There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy Easter. Like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button right in front of you. And smash that subscribe button. Bye. Happy Easter.